Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In the previous class, we have done the 4 problems. Then I have given one assignment question. Today, let us go for the next problem. That is 5th problem. Construct a 3 cross 2 matrix. We have to construct a matrix 3 cross 2 whose elements are given by. He has given the elements in the ij. Ij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus I minus 3j. So this is, he has given the ij. We have to find we have to construct the 3 cross 2 matrix by using the ij term. So let us take the aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of I minus 3j. He has given. Let us write the general form of the matrix of order 3 cross 2 A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. This is a general matrix of order 3 cross 2. From this, we can know the value of I and the j by seeing the general matrix. I value is 1 comma 2 comma 3. So I means row, j means column 1 comma 2. Let us substitute these values in the above equation. Aij is equal to 1 by 2 I minus modulus of I minus 3j. Let us find the first element of that matrix, A11. A11 means, that is the first element of the matrix. A11 means I value is 1 and j value is 1. Let us substitute 1 by 2 modulus of 1 minus 3 minus j, that is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of 1 minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 2 mod minus 2. In the modulus, negative number is there, means if you remove the modulus, then it will be positive. 2 by 2 will get, that is equal to 1. So we got the A11. Then let us go for the A12. So A12 means I value is 1, j value is 2. Let us substitute 1 by 2 modulus of I means 1, 3 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of 1 minus 6, that is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 5. If you remove the modulus, we will get positive number 5 by 2, that is equal to 5 by 2. We got the value A12 as in 5 by 2. Let us go for the next one. A21. Next element is A21. 2 means I, j means 1. Let us substitute 1 by 2 modulus of 2 minus 3 into 1. Then 1 by 2 mod 2 minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1. Mod minus 1. If you remove the mod, we will get positive number. Then A21 is 1 by 2. Then let us go for the A22. 1 by 2 mod 22 means I value is 2, then j value is also 2. We have to substitute this one. 1 by 2 modulus 2 minus 3 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 mod 2 minus 6, that is equal to 1 by 2 mod minus 4, that is equal to, if you remove the mod, 4 by 2. If you divide, it will divide by 2. Then we will get 2. A22 is 2 we got. Let us go for the next one. A31. Let us find the A31. A31 means I value is 3, j value is 1. Let us substitute 1 by 2 modulus of I means 3, 3 minus 3 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 2 mod 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0, 0 by 2, any number, 0 divided by any number is 0. Then let us go for next one, A32. Then A32 means I means 3, J means 2. Let us substitute 1 by 2, 3 minus 3 of 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 modulus 3 minus 6, that is equal to 1 by 2 modulus minus 3. Then what will get? That is equal to, if you remove the mod, 3 by 2. So let us substitute the values in the general matrix, then we'll get the matrix of order 3 cross 2. Let us name the A is equal to A11. A11 is 1. A12 is 5 by 2. Then A21 is 1 by 2. A22 is 2. A31 is 0. A32 is 3 by 2. This is the matrix of order 3 cross 2. This is very important question in this type for 1 marks. There will be a question for 1 marks. Very important question for your annual examination. Let us solve the next question. Sixth one. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given, are defined as Aij is equal to Aij whole square by 2. So we have to construct the 2 cross 2 matrix. So let us write the Aij is equal to I plus j whole square by 2. So let us write the general matrix of order 2 cross 2. A11, A12, A21, A22. So this is a general matrix of order 2 cross 2. By writing this, we will know the values of I and j. So I is equal to 1 comma 2, j is equal to 1 comma 2. So let us substitute these values in the Aij term. Aij is equal to I plus j whole square by 2. A11, let us find the first element of the matrix A11. A11 means I value is 1, j value is also 1 whole square by 2. That is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 whole square by 2, 4 by 2. You will get the 2. 11 element is 2. Let us go for the A12. I value is 1, j value is 2, 1 plus 2 whole square by 2. That is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 whole square by 2. That is equal to 9 by 2. So let us go for the A21. A21 means I value is 2, j value is 1. 2 plus 1 whole square by 2, that is equal to 3 square by 2, that is equal to 9 by 2. And let us go for the next term, that is A22 element. A22 means I value is 2, j value is 2 whole square by 2, that is equal to 4 square by 2, that is equal to 16 by 2, that is equal to 8. Now let us write the matrix of order 2 cross 2. A is equal to A11 is 2, A12 is 9 by 2, then A21 is 9 by 2, then A22 is 8. This is the matrix of 2 cross 2. Okay, let us go for the next problem. In this same question, there is a sub question. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. A is equal to Aij, whose elements are defined as Aij is equal to I by j. So by using the Aij term, we have to find the order of a matrix of 2 cross 2. Okay, let us take the Aij term. Then let us write the general matrix first of order 2 cross 2, A11, A12, A21, A22. So this is the matrix of order 2 cross 2. From this general matrix we can find a matrix of order 2 cross 2 by using the Aij term. So I value, let us write 1 comma 2, j value is 1 comma 2. So let us take Aij is equal to I by j. So let us find the first element A11. A11 means I value is 1, j value is 1. Let us substitute 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. A12, that is equal to second term, I value is 1, j value is 2, that is 1 by 2. Let us go for the next element A21. A21 means 2 by 1, that is equal to 2. A22 means 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. You can cancel this 2 and this 2. Numerator and denominator get cancelled. We are getting the 1. So let us write the matrix of 2 cross 2. A11 is 1. A12 is 1 by 2. A21 is 2. Then A22 is 1. This is the matrix of order 2 cross 2. So we already done the sixth problem. In the sixth problem I have done the two sub questions. In the sixth problem one of the sub question is third one, that is Aij is equal to I plus 2j whole square by 2. So it is the order of 2 cross 2. You have to do this problem as an assignment. Then seventh problem, construct a 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus 3 minus 3i plus j. In the second question, Aij is equal to 2ij minus j. You have to solve these questions and you have to send by clicking the photo to my WhatsApp number. So don't miss to do the problems. This is very important questions for your annual exam. On the page number 64, exercise number 3.1, problem number 6, in 6th third one, then 7th one, second in 7th, first and the second. These are the questions for assignment. So let us go for the next problem, 8th one. If he has given a matrix of order 3 cross 3 that is equal to another matrix, this is of order 3 cross 3. We have to find the values of a comma b comma c, x comma y and z. We have to find the values of a, b, c and x, y, z by equating the two matrices or by solution. Let us take the matrices x plus 3, z plus 4, 2y minus 7, minus 6, a minus 1, 0, b minus 3, minus 21, 0. That is equal to, he has given another matrix 0, 6, 3y, 2, minus 6, minus 3, 2c plus 2, 2b plus 4, minus 2, 0. He has given the two matrix of order 3 cross 3. Let us compare the corresponding elements of two matrices. So let us take the first element A11 is x plus 3, that is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. So we can find easily x value by shifting the 3 to the right side. X is equal to minus 3. We got the value of x. Let us go for the next one. Let us find the next term, that is z. Z means it is in the place of A12. Z plus 4, that is correspondence to the 6, that is equal to 6. Z is equal to, if you shift the 4 to the right side, then you will get 6 minus 4. Z is equal to, you got the value, Z value is 2. So next you have to find the y value. So y is different from x and z. So value of y by equating the A13 corresponding elements, 2y minus 7 is A13 is corresponding to 3y minus 2. Let us shift the 3y from right side to the left side. 2y minus 3y, then that is equal to 7 is shifted to the right of this, minus 2 plus 7. Then if you subtract, what will get? Minus y is equal to 5 plus 5. Then y is equal to, if you shift the minus to the denominator, it will becomes minus 5. The y value is minus 5. So we have to find the x value is minus 3, z value is 2, y value is 5. Let us find the ABC. ABC, let us find the A value. A is in the place of A22. A22 is A minus 1, that is corresponding to the, in the next matrix, that is minus 3. That is minus 3. A is equal to, 1 is shifted to the right, minus 3 plus 1. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. Then A is equal to minus 2. We got the value of A. So let us find the B. So B value is in the place of A31. A31, B minus 3 is equal to 2B plus 4. So shift the 2B to the left side. B minus 2B is equal to, shift the minus 3 to the right side, 4 plus 3. Then if you subtract, minus B is equal to 7. Then B is equal to 7. We got the value of B is 7. Let us find the C value. So C value, to find the C value, 0 is in the place of A23. 0 is equated with the corresponding element 2C plus 2. Then shift the 2 to the left, you will get minus 2, that is equal to 2C. Then shift the 2 to the denominator of 2. Then 2 by 2 is equal to C. 2 to get cancelled, C is equal to minus 1. We got the C value as an minus 1. Therefore, the values of x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 5, z is equal to 2, a value is minus 2, b value is 7, then c value is minus 1. These are the values. Let us go for the next one, ninth one. Find the values of A, B, C and D from the following equations. He has given the two equality of matrices. Two equality of matrices he has given. So let us take the matrices. Two A plus B, A minus 2B, 5C minus D, 4C plus 3D is equal to 4 minus 3, 11, 24. This is the problem he has given. You have to find by equating the corresponding elements, you have to find the value of A, B and C. It is little different problem. Let us equate the corresponding elements. 2A plus B is equal to 4. A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. 5C minus D is equal to 11. Then 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. Let us give the names for this. This is the first equation. This is second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth equation. You already know how to solve the equations. So here, first equation, in the first equation, 2A plus B is equal to 4 is there. In the second equation, A minus 2B is equal to minus 3 is there. To solve this equation, the variable value should be equal. The variable value should be equal. So let us multiply the equation. Multiply equation 1 by 2. Equation 1 is multiplied by 2 to solve the equations. So if you multiply 2 into 2A plus B is equal to 4. This is the equation 1. We are multiplying by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 2B is equal to 8. Let us give the name as an equation 5. Okay. Solve equation 2 and 5. Solve the equation 2 and 5. Let us take the equation 2. A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. 4A plus 2B is equal to 8. So by solving the equation, you know how to change the signs. So no need to change the signs because B variable has 2. So it is in the opposite sign. So let us solve directly. So if you not change the sign means you have to add this variables. 4A plus A is 5A. You can cancel this one. That is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 by 5. That is equal to 1. We got the value of A. We got the value of A. Substitute A is equal to 1 in 1. Equation 1. What is the equation 1? 2A plus B is equal to 4. 2A plus B is equal to 4. Let us substitute the value of A. 2A into 1 plus B is equal to 4. Then 2 plus B is equal to 4. B is equal to 4 minus 2. B is equal to 2. So we got the value of B. Let us solve the equation 3 and 4. Before going to solve, check the variables are equal or not. If they are not equal, first make them the equations as any one of the variable as equal. So let us take the equation 3. So let us multiply equation 3 by 3. Multiply equation 3 by 3. So we are going to multiply by 3. 5C minus D is equal to 11. If you multiply by 3, 5 into 3 is 15C minus 3D, that is equal to 33. Equation number is 6. Solve the equation 4 and 6. By solving the equation 4 and 6, you we are getting the one value. Let us solve this. 4c plus 3d is equal to 24. Then 15c minus 3d is equal to 33. So 3d minus 3d plus 3d get cancelled. If you add this one, 15 plus 4 is 19c. Then if you add this one, what you will get? 67. C is equal to 67 by 19. If you divide, you will get the value. C value is 3. Substitute C is equal to 3 in equation 3. What is the equation 3? 5c minus d is equal to 11. Then 5 into 3 minus d is equal to 11. Then 15 minus d is equal to 11. Then minus d is equal to 11 minus 15. Then d is equal to plus 4. D is equal to plus 4. So therefore we got the values. A value is 1, B value is 2, C value is 3, D value is 4. Let us go for the 10th problem. Find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. He has given the two matrices. These are the equality of matrix. This is easy problem. So let us solve this. He has given the matrix 4, 3, x, 5, that is equal to y, z, 1, 5. These are the matrices he has given. We have to equate the corresponding elements of two matrices. So x is equal to 1, then 4 is equal to y, z is equal to or 3 is equal to z. So we got the values. X value is 1, y value is 4 and z value is 3. Very simple problem. Let us solve the next problem. In the 10th problem, the sub question is 2. You have to find the x, y, z values. He has given the equality of matrices. Let us write the matrices and equating the corresponding elements. Let us take the matrices x plus y, 2, 5 plus z, xy, that is equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. So let us write the corresponding, equating the corresponding elements. X plus y is equal to 6. 5 plus z is equal to 5. Xy is equal to 8. So you have to find the values of x, y and z. We can find the z value easily. Z is equal to 5. If you shift the 5 to the right side, then it will become minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled. You will get the z value as a 0. You have to find the x and y value. So let us take the first element. X plus y is equal to 6. Let us find the value of y by shifting the x to the right. 6 minus x. We got the value of y. Substitute y is equal to 6 minus x in xy is equal to 8. So xy is equal to 8. In the place of y, if you put the value of y as 6 minus x, that is equal to 8. So if you multiply x, 6x minus x square is equal to 8. So minus x square plus 6x is equal to 8. If we remove the common as in minus, x square minus 6x x square minus 6x is equal to 8. X square minus 6x is equal to minus 8. Then x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. The equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. You have to find the factors of this equation. So x square minus 6x plus 8. Let us find the factors of this equation. You know how to find the factors. X square is multiplied with 8. You are getting 8x square. The middle term is minus 6. Let us write here. Then take the two numbers. It should be, if you multiply, you should get this one. If you add or subtract, you should get the minus 6. 4x, 2x. If you multiply, 4 2s are 8. X into x is x square we are getting. So by adding, you should get this number. 4 plus 2 is 6. But here is negative sign. So let us change the sign. Minus, minus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus, but greater sign is minus. 4 plus 2 is 6. So let us write the first term x square. In the place of middle term, let us write minus 4x minus 2x. Then as we have to write the 8 as same, that is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x. In this, take the common as an x. If you remove x common, x minus 4 minus. In this you can remove the common as in 2. If you remove the common minus 2, you will get x minus 4. So x minus 4 is equal to 0 is a factor, and x minus 2 is equal to 0. If you shift the 4, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. You are getting the two values of x. So let us substitute the value of x in equation y is equal to 6 minus x. Put x is equal to 4 in y is equal to 6 minus x. Y is equal to 6 minus x. If you substitute 4, 6 minus 4 is, you are getting 2. The value of y is 2. Again substitute, put the value of x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 in y is equal to 6 minus x. Y is equal to 6 minus x. Y is equal to 6 minus 2. Y is equal to 4. You got the value of y. So therefore x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2 you got. Then y value is y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Then z value is 0. Let us go for the next problem. In the 10th problem only, there is a sub question 3. Find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. Let us solve this problem. Has given the two matrices x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z, that is equal to 9, 5, 7. Let us write the first corresponding elements or comparing the corresponding elements. X plus y plus z is equal to 9, x plus y is equal to 5, y plus z is equal to 7. Okay, let us substitute y plus z is equal to 7 in x plus y plus z is equal to 9. In this place, y plus z value if you substitute means 7, that is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 minus 7, x is equal to 2. You got the value of x as an 2. Substitute the value of x in, or put the value of, put x is equal to 2 in x plus y is equal to 5. If you put the value of x, 2 plus y is equal to 5, y is equal to, if you shift the 2 to the right, 5 minus 2, you are getting y value is 3. You got the x and y. Let us substitute the value of y in y plus z. Put y is equal to 3 in y plus z is equal to 7. So 3 plus z is equal to 7. Z is equal to 7 minus 3. Z is equal to 4. Therefore, the value of x is 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 4. Take down the assignment problems. Find the values of a, b, c and c from the equation. From this equation you have to find the values of a, b, c. Next problem is which of the given value of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal. In this option you have to find the answer by substituting the x value. If you substitute the x and y value in this equation, you should get the equal pair of matrices. You should solve the problems and you have to submit the assignment. You should keep the separate assignment book and you should write the notes in the separate book.